In this video, you will learn how to create ID form data fields for production information entry. Log in as administrator. Access the Setup menu. Select Application, then ID form. Edit the ID forms one by one per the traceability needs. Enter the ID form name. Enable the ID form via the status button and select numeric only if applies. Also, if the information must be preserved until a new data entry. Tap the check button to save the settings. Create other ID forms as needed. Go back to the main screen to test your settings.